In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Fortnite textures when you're shooting. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, let's say you're playing Fortnite and whenever you're shooting any of your weapons, you might feel like your weapon is kind of like blurry or it looks kind of like potato-y, anything like that, and like all smudgy and not like an actual gun. So the textures might be off. So there's a very simple fix for this. If you're on console, I'll show you what to do, as well as if you're on PC. Now, on console, on like the 120 FPS mode, whenever you're on the 120 FPS mode, it actually reduces your graphics slightly. So if you're on this mode, if you want like less blurry weapons and less smudgy weapons, what you want to do is switch over to your 60 FPS mode by going to your settings like so. Then it's going to have the frame rate right there. It's going to show the mode like 120 FPS mode. You want to turn that off. Now, if you're on PC, what you want to go ahead and do is, whether you're on performance mode or not, because as you can see, I'm on performance mode and my weapons aren't smudgy. What I want to do is scroll down, and if my textures are on low or anything like that, I want to go on epic. And that goes the same thing for DX11 and DX12. But then, yeah, after you do that, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out other Fortnite Chapter 7 videos on the channel.